You may not believe it, but I'm a traditionalist at heart, and I'm looking forward to a traditional Christmas. Obviously, I'm looking forward to the cards and the gifts, looking forward to the weather, looking forward to everyone being a little bit nicer to each other. I'm looking forward to eating and drinking a little too much. I'm looking forward to all the project managers at the start of December scrambling to try to find spaces in the calendar to move their steering committees to when they realise that most people are away for 2 weeks. I'm looking forward to everyone fighting over the limited resources because nearly everyone's away for 2 weeks. I'm looking forward to things not getting done because nearly everyone's away for 2 weeks. Bit of a theme starting there, isn't there? I'm looking forward to everyone's plans going to pot because everyone forgot there's a change freeze that lasts for about a month that starts about mid-December. I'm looking forward to the tsunami of change requests going through the steering committees that are still able to take place in December, whilst everyone else who hasn't been able to rearrange their meeting has to turn their project red. I'm looking forward to the portfolio status report showing all the projects are green and red, just like Christmas decorations. I'm looking forward to the sponsors all saying, "Why didn't you plan for this? Christmas happens every year." But nobody saying, "You didn't remind us." As I say, I'm a traditionalist, and I'm looking forward to a traditional Christmas. So are you going to be one of the project managers who makes it a traditional Christmas for me? We'll see in a few months. I'm such a shit. I could have just made a very short video that said don't forget to plan for Christmas, but where's the fun in that? Hey, don't forget to hit the like button before you run off and change all your plans.